Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Dogelon Mars price prediction and Dogelon Mars news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Dogelon Mars in 2022. Dogelon Mars is a dog-themed meme coin on Ethereum and Polygon. It follows the example of other successful dog coins like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu and Floki Inu. Dogelon Mars plays on several popular themes in the meme coin space. Its name is a mixture of Dogecoin and Elon Musk, the billionaire entrepreneur who is an outspoken supporter of Doge. It alludes to Mars, a spin on the famous moon meme, implying that Dogelon will experience a massive upward movement. Beyond its tongue-in-cheek name, Dogelon Mars has managed to build a significant community, with more than 300,000 Twitter followers, and more than 84,000 followers on Telegram. Just like is the case for its more prominent and more established cousins, the founders of this particular dog coin are unknown. That is somewhat of a common occurrence for meme coins, and investors are well advised due to due diligence with little-known coins to avoid falling victim to malicious practices like rug pulls and exit scams. With that said, Elon has been on the market for several months, making the likelihood of the coin being a scam relatively small. Future on limited supplies. There are now thousands of meme coins, but Dogecoin is notable as the one that started it all. The coin was founded on Dec. 2013 by Jackson Palmer and Billy Marcus. Both of them are software engineers. Created to satirize BTC, but became the second most popular cryptocurrency after BTC in terms of users. Since then, other meme coins have also seen huge growth, namely Shiba Inu, Dogelon Mars, and Floki Inu. Reflections on meme token Dogecoin has been a success, but the huge volatility influenced by celebrities means high risk. Of course, meme tokens are easy to launch, not expensive to maintain, and have a large degree of community ownership. But that doesn't mean you can go all in on meme tokens. In contrast, meme tokens are not easily recognized and supported by celebrities with similar feelings. Meme tokens have very few usage scenarios, which is very different from the Chainer DeFi protocol token. In addition, some meme tokens do not support smart contracts, and there are no ecosystem applications for pure meme tokens. So, the success of Dogecoin is just an example of probability. You can try meme tokens as a hobby, but not for investment. At least, it's not a good choice to all in. Cars. Well, this is huge news to his followers. This is not the first time Musk is throwing such hints. On several occasions, he has shared memes depicting his support for various cryptocurrencies, at one time even coming under fire from individuals who claim that he is manipulating the market. Last month, Tesla started accepting Doge payments for its merchandise, a month after Musk hinted on the plan. That said, although Musk has yet to shed more light on his tweet, his deep support for Dogecoin suggests that a decision to have Starlink and SpaceX start accepting the K9 coin might not be that tough after all. In the meantime, Dogecoin continues to trade in the 14 cents range after losing 80% of its value. For now, traders continue to hold their breath with hopes that the Doge father will drop the much-awaited bombshell, and hopefully reignite the prospects of Doge attaining the $1 mark. And second news today about anti-vax mandate: truckers have raised $700K in Bitcoin, and have Elon Musk's support. The Freedom Convoy of Canadian truckers in Ottawa has raised nearly 16 Bitcoin, roughly $700,000, from 4,877 donors after their GoFundMe donations were blocked. The group even has garnered support from Elon Musk via Twitter, who believes crypto cannot be stopped. In late January, Musk also tweeted, "Canadian truckers rule." The trucker convoy in Ottawa, making international headlines, was formed in opposition to nationwide vaccination mandates on truckers re-entering Canada from the United States. It has since evolved to object to all COVID-19 health restrictions, spawning similar protests throughout Canada. Ottawa police are attempting to rein in the convoy over concerns of their trucks blockading city streets and interfering with local businesses. Law enforcement also collaborated with crowdsourcing platform GoFundMe to block $10 million in donations initially directed toward the convoy's organizers. That action struck a bad chord with some Canadian Bitcoiners opposed to both financial censorship and the COVID restrictions. Canadian truckers turned to Bitcoin in response to the GoFundMe blockade. BTC Sessions, a crypto YouTuber from Calgary, started a fundraiser. It is also recognized as a legal tender in El Salvador. Dogecoin is not yet a legal tender, but it is accepted as a payment method. According to Cryptwork, as of Feb. 2022, there are 1,069 merchants and organizations already accepting Dogecoin for payments. Although one of Dogecoin's founders, Jackson Palmer, gave up on Dogecoin in 2014, it didn't stop the token from growing. Two random milestones. The Dogecoin community sponsored the Jamaican bobsled team for the Sochi Winter Olympics. In 2014, the community raised money to help Doctors Without Borders treat victims of Ebola by one day. Dogecoin is a scam. In an interview on Saturday Night Live, Dogecoin plunges 34%. January 2022. Dogecoin rallies more than 20%. On August 18, 2021, the Dogecoin Foundation was re-established after the departure of co-founders in 2014, with Musk and Vitalik Buterin elected as advisors to the board of directors. Consensus value refers to people investing in their beliefs, e.g. BTC. In contrast, utility value refers to the underlying potential of use cases of a technology. BTC has value because of consensus. It is considered as an option for investment or asset preservation. It is a white ban on cryptosits that are using the proof of work (POW) consensus mechanism, calling people to contact members of the European Parliament (MEPs) and oppose the move. At the last possible moment, certain parties offered amendments to micro-regulation on markets in cryptosits that would ban proof-of-work consensus protocols, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other popular blockchains in cryptosits in Europe, issuing an ultimatum to the rest of Parliament. Accept our Bitcoin ban or we will oppose the entire MiCA package, one of the main players in the crypto industry said. Ethereum, the second largest cryptosit by market capitalization, aims to move to the proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, which does not require energy-intensive mining, but critics argue it's more centralized and less secure. The European Parliament Committee on Economic and Monetary Affairs, ECON, will vote on MiCA on Monday, March 14. However, according to Patrick Hansen, head of strategy and growth at Unstoppable Finance, a developer of a DeFi wallet, the MEPs will vote on 2 suggestions and one of them doesn't plan a ban. There seems to be a very thin majority against a ban right now, but to be determined, Hansen said. As reported earlier this month, a draft of MiCA can get is $0.0000326. Dogelon Mars average price forecast for the end of 2025 could be around $0.0000278. A large price turnover is expected in the turnover observed in the cryptocurrency market. Dogelon Mars course prediction 2026 volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today, forecasting and implementation at current prices is expected. Many cryptanalysts are at play in this regard. Price predictions are correct for recovery years. Cryptocurrency consumers still ban and restrict cryptocurrencies. Dogelon Mars could cross $0.0000464 if the market sees a good normal run in 2026. Elon rate prediction 2027 Dogelon Mars will increase the load on the network and interaction with people. Therefore, the settlement price for 2027 is bullish. According to analysts, Elon is expected to trigger a $0.0000709 rate hike by the end of 2027. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Dogelon Mars will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of Elon will be between $0.0000600 and $0.0000617 expected in 2027 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of Elon changes from $0.0000600 to $0.0000709 for 2027. Dogelon Mars course prediction 2028 The current price range of Dogelon Mars may be of interest to many traders, and therefore Elon could reach $0.0001049 by 2028, with an average rate of $0.0000905 for 2028, it could beat the latest price trend and reach new highs. Slogan bets can be made as the cryptocurrency market may see another usual trend on its way to 2028. Elon rate prediction 2029 for a long-term forecast of the price of Dogelon Mars, an important basic analysis. In terms of industry interests, the token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As DApp and stablecoin network develops, efficient programmable payment, logistics,